Now I'm going to show you how to password the Word document. So let's imagine that you've typed something like a document here or whatever. So now we want to save this. So Control S, Control save the document, and let's say like doc for it. Now you go to tools. Here you go to general options and you can put the password. Let's say 1234. Then 1234. So if you want to be read only for the person will not be able to edit it but can only read, you can click on it. But if you want to be able to edit it, don't click on it. Just click on OK. It will ask you again 1234 for the password. You can use any password you want. This is just for tutorial purpose. Okay, 1234. Okay, and you save. C'est fini, and that's that. You go back to your document and you click on it. This is doc. Let's click on it. Let's click on. Let me click on it again. So 1234. You can see it's password already. 1234. Voila, you see your document. So that is how to password your document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.